Hello friends! Whether you're cruising down the highway or curled up for movie night, the right snack turns every bite into a blockbuster moment. Let's start with the first step. Take 10 to 15 slices of bread, break them into pieces and pulse grind to get fresh breadcrumbs. Heat pan and add 2 cups of breadcrumbs. And dry roast on medium to low flame for 10 minutes or until it turns golden. Once done, turn off the flame and allow it to cool completely. It can also be stored in an airtight container for up to a week. Transfer the roasted breadcrumbs to a mixer and pulse grind them. Once done, keep the roasted breadcrumbs aside. Next, I've taken 6 potatoes, that's 500 grams. Measure 90 grams of corn kernels, roughly from half a corn. Half a teaspoon of oregano seasoning. Half teaspoon red chilli flakes. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 green chilli deseeded and finely chopped. And 2 grated garlic cloves.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take half a corn and stand it upright on a cutting board. Using a sharp knife, carefully slice downward close to the core to remove whole kernels. Now gently squeeze the corn kernels to separate them. Once done, scoop out about 2 tablespoons of kernels and slightly mash them. Once done, keep it aside. Now grate the boiled potatoes. Now add grated mozzarella cheese 90 grams. Grated cheese cubes 50 grams. Then add chili, garlic, coriander powder, Red Chilli Flakes, Oregano Seasoning, and half a teaspoon black pepper powder. Now give it a good mix. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt now, since I didn't add any while boiling the corn and potatoes. 1 cup of breadcrumbs, corn kernels, and mashed corns. Now mix everything well. Now grease palms with oil so the mixture doesn't stick. Then take a small size portion and shape them into a nugget, ball or a pillow. For slurry, I have taken 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now mix everything well. Gradually add water while continuously mixing. I added nearly 350 ml of water. Dip each piece into the slurry and coat it with roasted breadcrumbs. can refrigerate it for an hour or freeze it and use within a week. Now heat oil for shallow fry. Gently drop the pieces one by one into the hot oil. Fry on a low flame until they turn golden brown on both sides. And our cheese corn nuggets are ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!